Hello, my name is Paula, and I'm the winner of the Medicine Box giveaway of a trip to Lake Tahoe.
I'm Andre, Paola's boyfriend, and I went on the trip with her to Lake Tahoe as well.
We are super happy to be able to participate and to be able to win, actually, because Lake Tahoe is an amazing place. The lake is beautiful.
We had an incredible time. We got to do some hiking. We both got to fly our drones. We saw some sick spots.
We have the chance to speak with Brian and the people from Medicine Box, and the knowledge and experience and advice that they share with us about working in our own processes through medicine was invaluable to me. So thank you, Brian. Thank you, Medicine Box.
Thanks so much, Medicine Box, and thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy, and we'll definitely be entering on the next giveaway.